What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a mini Sephora haul. These are things that I've picked up or have gotten as a gift over the past like month and a half. But really quickly, before we jump into this unboxing slash haul, it'd mean the world to me if you guys could subscribe by hitting that little red button down below. You can also hit the bell right next to it to be notified every time I drop a new video. And also, if you like hauls and you love Sephora, and you just want more videos in general, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up. And yeah, without further ado, let's jump into this very small miniature Sephora haul. Alright, so I'm going to open up my first package. I really hope I didn't flash my address. So, the first thing I got, oh my gosh, I was so excited about this. So this is the Cleansing Creek. It's by First Aid Beauty. So you get the Pure Skin Face Cleanser, so it removes surface oils, makeup, dirt, and grime, and it's for sensitive skin. And then you also get the Ultra Repair Cream, so it's the intense hydration for dry, parched skin. Safe for sensitive skin again. So this is the little bundle. I normally use this face cream as my moisturizer for day and night, but I get the one that's in like the jar. It's for like, it says head to toe. I just use it on my face and you get a lot of it. It's $40, but it also lasts me like 3 months. So I think it's worth it. But this bundle, because I didn't really want to go drop $40 more. This facial cleanser on its own, like the 5 ounces, is normally $26 and you got the bundle for $20. So like that was crazy. Even if you only wanted this, you might as well get this because it was cheaper, and you also get their cream. So the one I normally get I think has 6 ounces. This just has 2, but this will get me by until I pick up a new jar. So yeah, I'm excited to test out the face cream, not face cream, the face wash. And then, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So this is another thing I picked up. It's the Tarte Swirl Power Cheek Brush. I wanted to get this because I thought it would be perfect to apply bronzer. And I was so sad. I went to purchase this when I was in Toronto, but they didn't have any, and they said that I kind of had to go online because they weren't really stocking them anymore. A lot of stores apparently didn't have this. But yeah, this is what the brush looks like. I think it looks super cool. So as you can see, it's like more of a narrow brush. I think that would be perfect to contour and to bronze. Yeah, I'm really excited to use this. This one was $43, so it was kind of expensive. But I mean, if it's a good quality brush, I don't normally replace my brushes very often, so I'm hoping that I'm gonna have it for a really long time. So yeah, those are the 2 things that I picked up most recently. However, when you order online, you also get samples. So I got 2 samples here. And then this is a Marc Jacobs Major Volume Mascara. This one was part of their beauty offer, so if you spend over like $25 or $35, you get to pick from a list of things. It's just like a really small size. It's obviously not a full size. So if you can see, the wand sort of resembles a Too Faced one. I'm excited. Marc Jacobs, I know that's cruelty free too. And then when I was actually in Toronto, I picked up a few things. This is the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. I'm obsessed with this. I feel like there's like nothing in it though. And I went to Toronto a little over a month ago. So if it's gonna empty within the next few days, I probably won't repurchase, only because I went through this so fast. But this is awesome. It smells great. It's like the continuous spray. I'm gonna share with you guys. This is probably why I'm going through it so fast, because I use it so often. But like, look at this. Like, did you hear that? It was so fine. I love it. I'm obsessed. Another thing I picked up when I was there was the Morphe M433. I've never owned a Morphe brush, and the Eaton Center had a few of them. I was between this one and another one, and it looked a little bit fluffier and better, like a better blending brush for your eyes. However, it looked really big, so I feel like it was gonna be too big for my eyes. This one's a little flatter. Please excuse the fact that it's dirty, but if you guys can tell, so this is like the front of it. The side, it goes a little bit more narrow, so it's not hard to blend with. I definitely have brushes in my collection that are more like circular, and they work better. But yeah, I don't mind this brush. It was only $9. I feel like it's definitely not the softest brush I've ever used, but it hasn't shed on me yet. And I think it does the job, and I was really excited to test out one of their brushes because I know so many people use these. So yeah, definitely an affordable brush at Sephora compared to others, so I definitely wanted to test it out. Then I also picked up the Morphe sponge. I was so intrigued to try this because I know a lot of people have used it and love it. Honestly, this is not my favorite sponge. I don't hate it, but I find it's a little bit hard compared to other sponges I've used. I definitely don't hate it, but it's not my most favorite sponge I've ever used. It was only $9.50 though, so I think for a sponge at Sephora, it's a great price. And I definitely do like the flat side here to help like carve out my cheeks. I thought that was really helpful, but it's just a little bit too dense for me. I don't know. I feel like I've only ever heard positive things about this sponge, so I was really excited to use it and I was kind of disappointed. But again, it was only like $9, so. Okay, and then the last things were from Bailey for Valentine's Day. Some of the things I ordered online were from him as well. He gave me a gift card as well, which was so nice. I was so excited when I saw that. But one of the things he picked up for me was a beauty blender, and I've literally never in my entire life have ever owned a name brand beauty blender sponge. I just think they're kind of expensive, but I saw this one and it was tan and I thought that was so cool. You can't see your makeup on it, which is like, I don't know if that's a good thing or bad thing because I don't know when to wash it. But I just love the color of it, and it's definitely more squishy than the Morphe sponge. I don't know if you can tell, like I think the Morphe is definitely a little bigger, but density, like I feel like this one's more dense than this one. I will tell you though, the Real Techniques Face and Body is like 5 times the size of this, and it's my all-time favorite, and it's just as squishy, maybe a little bit less squishy. I don't know. I feel like I need it right next to me to compare. But I love this. I think this is awesome. I definitely think $26 is a little bit pricey for this sponge. I think there's others that I've used that are like just as good, but I'm definitely so excited to actually have a name brand beauty blender. Because I feel like I've just been using cheaper ones my whole life. So yeah, it's cool to actually test this out. And then finally, the last thing he picked up for me was the Too Faced, what are you called? The High Shine Sparkling Lip Gloss in Pretty Penny. It smells like vanilla. Honestly, equally as pretty on its own as it does on top of a lipstick. I have it on top of the Smashbox Edition lipstick right now, and I think it looks awesome. And I would describe this definitely more so on the warm gold coppery side. It's definitely a really pretty color. I absolutely love it, and yeah, it just smells so good. I really like it. So that completes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it was interesting enough. It definitely wasn't a huge haul, but I just wanted to share with you guys some new products that I've been using. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the little thumbs up to know that you enjoyed my video and you want to see more. And yeah, thank you guys again so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!